very nice way. Yeah, I think I have to stream the other side. It will be something very good. Keep on watching. I'll be taking you along. I like this vibe, guys. Today I'll be vibing in a very nice way. This one for today will be something very special. I want just stream it here. Here it will be okay. That view, it will be something very unique. Okay, let me see. That's a good view. Yeah, I really have this. Guys, you see the view. Today I just like the view because it's very unique. It's something I've been missing for a while. Yeah, just keep on watching. Right now I'm in Congo, guys. The same you see my back, you see there's a river. I call it Congo River, Congo River. It's a very nice view today to see or to watch. Wow. Hey, Omera. I need to be my bergas chimoko. Yeah, you see now I'm in the Indian Ocean.